So you sneeze and you leak. What to do to prevent it from happening? Stay tuned. Hey, this is Dr. Shakib from Pelvic Floor Therapy right here in Irvine, Orange County. While my focus is on pelvic floor dysfunction, one of the things that people complain about is when they sneeze, a little pee comes out. So my suggestion is, well, we're not going to get into why that happens, but it has to do with actual contraction of your sphincter, where your pee actually, if it's nice and strong, pee doesn't come out. In anticipation of sneezing, which you know it's about to happen, you can actually pinch yourself down in there to kind of accentuate that pressure of the sphincter. So then when you when you sneeze, pee doesn't come out. So that's really something you can do in anticipation of sneezing. But how to fix that has to do with some internal work that can take place. But one thing I want to bring to your attention is you don't work on the floor when the house is unstable. Unfortunately, when it comes to treatment of pelvic floor and its associated symptoms, we're very quick in going in and do some internal work and take care of those muscles there. But what we fail to do is to first build the house before we lay the flooring. So my suggestion is look into the stability of your pelvis and your skeletal system before you go in and focus 100% on the floor. It can be done in conjunction with each other, but not totally excluded from the treatment of pelvic floor dysfunction. If you have any questions, use one of the methods of contact in the description box and contact me. If you need to make an appointment for your pelvic floor dysfunction, use the same contact points to give us a call. Until next time, take care.